In the town of San Juan de Alima, on Mexico's west coast, this house and pool were carved into a rocky hillside overlooking the Pacific Ocean. The site in its natural state is a rocky and densely vegetated slope, dominated by endemic species. SJA III, designed by the architecture firm Casas De Mexico CDM, was conceived to integrate with the natural terrain rather than dominate it. Nestled into the rocky face, the home's roof transforms into a true viewpoint during the day, offering a view of the vast horizon and into an observatory for stargazing at night, enhanced by its remote location far from artificial light sources. The open-plan living and dining area opens on three sides to the surrounding views, allowing the breeze and the red sunset light to inundate the space. Caramel-toned wood wraps the ceiling and walls, creating a sense of visual warmth. Using natural materials like dark wood and stone for both the exterior and interior, CDM managed to create a structure in harmony with its surroundings while maintaining its unique identity. The space is comfortable yet minimalist, with a nautical-themed chandelier adding a playful touch. The side facing the hillside is clad in stone, reinforcing the connection to the natural context. The highlight of SJA III is undoubtedly the pool, carved into a rocky section of the hillside with views of the beach and ocean. The original palapa roof structure from the initial program was reimagined as a shelter that seems to extend from the mountain itself toward the ocean, while water would fill the stone to form the pool, like a pond left behind by the receding tides. Always striving to maintain the relationship between the built and the wild, the interior opens completely to allow the breeze and the red sunset light to flood the space.